Welcome, children. We have arrived at Friday of the first week of online learning. You did it. I just want to go ahead and have you have a little party to yourself right now. Go ahead, do your little dance. Get excited. You made it. So, for those of you who have not yet had a chance to post work, I sent out emails yesterday to your parents, just kind of checking in, wanting to make sure you have whatever resources it is you need to be successful. So in the meantime, if you got that email, please respond because it helps me to know how I can help. I do want to go ahead and let you guys know next week we are going to Edmodo. There will be changes on my website that show you guys how you need to access. Once again, I've sent an email to your parents. It has the instructions. Read the instructions. It will tell you how to log on to our class, how you can start accessing assignments. Assignments will not be ready until Monday, okay? They won't be there, so don't freak out. It's on its way. It's going to post Monday automatically, first thing in the morning. What was the other thing? Oh, the learning menus. The learning menus are already up on the website. You can start taking a look at it. And if for some reason you're having struggles with your internet, but you can print, there are printables that are also available at the bottom of the webpage that are also going to go up Monday. They are not going to be there already fancy schmancy now. They're going to be ready Monday, okay? Everything is set to go live at the same time so that you can see everything. If you have any questions, and in Edmodo, you can shoot me a quick message, really easy. I will only be able to see it, though, if I'm on the computer. So, for example, if I'm off working on something over here, or I don't have the website pulled up, I can't see it. So, letting you guys know that, please watch this video. Please tell your parents. All the instructions are already in the emails that I've sent them, so that all the links are there, all the addresses are there, everything's on the website, everything is good to go. But it's Fun Friday, so give yourself a little party dance because you have made it through week 1, guys. You are awesome. Keep being awesome. Don't forget you're awesome. And I hope that you guys are doing good. Okay, don't stress. I was stressing earlier this week and I had to remind myself, you know what, Miss Briggs, we've never done this before. Don't get stressed out, okay? Don't do it, okay? Just keep doing your best, okay? It's what I'm doing. It's hard, but just keep doing your best. Love you guys. See ya.